Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. My name is Bibo and today guys I'm back on another video on my channel, of course. So today's video is not a gaming video. We're not going to be playing any games, but I'm going to show you guys how you can earn money for free without any investment. So we got this website called GramFree.today. So yeah, the link of it is in the description, of course. So when you open it, you will eventually find this page, and yeah, it is actually a good website. So once you are in this web page or website, you can click on sign up if you don't have an account in it. So when you click on sign up, you will find this page. It says create account, continue with Facebook or continue with Google. So yeah, of course, you're gonna have to use your Facebook account or your Google account to make a account in this website, which is like something very easy. So I already have an account in this website. So I'm gonna click on sign in, and yeah, I'm gonna sign up into my account. So guys, I have actually signed in using my Google account, and yep, here's the dashboard. So it shows you how much money you got. I got 13.1 gram coins, which is the 1 gram price is $3.26. I haven't withdrawn any cent, and I haven't deposited any cent. So if you go to free, and yeah, this page shows up. So it shows you what people are actually winning. So when you click on roll, you're gonna get like a bunch of numbers. I mean, get one number, but if you get between 1 and 300, you're not gonna win anything. And if you get between 300 and 993, you will win 0.1 gram. So we're gonna click on roll, and let's see. Okay, I got my number is 319. Yeah, that was close. I won 0.1 gram coins. So yeah, I have rolled 22 times, and the next roll is an hour. So yep, if we go to deposits right over here in the left section, over here, guys, you can deposit your money, and yeah, you can buy lottery tickets with it. And if you go to withdrawal, here you're gonna withdraw your money or something. So it accepts Bitcoin, Ethereum, Mastercard, Visa card, PayPal, and a bunch of other things. So yeah. So if you go to lottery over here, you guys, you can buy tickets and win some money. So when you buy one ticket, it costs 1 gram, and the minimum win chance is 0.1%. And yeah, and the more tickets you buy, you get the more chances you're gonna get to win. So if you actually buy 1,000 tickets, there's 100% that you're gonna win. If you go to user level, and over here you're gonna find your level and stuff. This is the activity timeline, how you're gonna get points, and for each level you're gonna at least maybe get about 100 points or 80 points. I'm in level 2, by the way. So yep, I got 32 points out of 100. If I reach 100, I'll get to level 3. Now if you check out referrals section, yeah, you're gonna find your referral link. You're gonna have to copy it and share it with your friends, and for each one that signs up in this website, you will actually win 3 gram points. So I haven't invited anyone, and yeah, if you go to videos over here, you're gonna you're gonna have to watch some videos, and for each video you're gonna win 0.1 gram. And also watching one video also gives you 1 extra point. So yeah, that's good. And let's go to smart contracts. And this is where things start to look interesting. So every day you're gonna get 1 extra smart contract you're gonna have to sign to get money. And yeah, you're gonna like every day get 0.2 grams, but if you turn on the risky contract you're gonna get the double, but if you miss 1 day you're gonna have to pay a penalty, which is 0.8 gram. So I'm gonna click on take. Okay, so by the way, for each contract you made, or you're gonna get 1 point, but when you sign a what is it called, a pre-token contract, you're gonna get only 1 point, but it is something good. And as I said, every day you're gonna get a new contract as I get, yeah, you can say. So we got this standard contracts. I only get 0.2 grams for signing it. So sign yes, and the remaining ones are the the risky contracts. So I'm gonna sign each one of them. There you go. That's nice. Now I have leveled up. I got points from 32 points to 43 points. So that is good. Yeah. So actually, a lot of people actually withdrew from this website. I haven't actually, but some people did, and it is truly an amazing website to win money. And yeah, they've won actually more than $1,000 because the minimum referral, not referral, but withdrawal amount is 500 grams. And 500 grams is more than $1,000, which means it is a good price since 1 gram is $3 at least. Like right now is 3.4 grams. So when you withdraw, you're gonna have to wait until the gram price is all the way up just to get more money. So yeah. So guys, I think that's gonna be it for today's video. I know it is small one, but it is very interesting. And by the way, if you guys want to check out the withdrawal proof, you can see it on the screen right now. So yeah, it is actually a good website, so make sure you go ahead and visit it. The link is in the description. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. I will see you guys later. All the pain.